You are going to love the 2025 Savana. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.6-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. The Savana passenger van is a blend of comfort, convenience, and style. Available in 8, 12, and 15 passenger models, the Savana has been designed and refined with safety as the constant goal. Electronic stability control system, StabliTrak, and traction control are standard on all models. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.